Welcome to Machinist Evolution. Today we're going to go over putting the program into the machine and taking the program out of the machine through a USB. Let's get into it.
We'll start by putting the USB into the machine. The USB ports are located on the side of the panel. Now we can import a program. To import a program, hit the left arrow twice. Press Data I/O, USB drive select. Select the USB drive you want to use, then press OK. Now press Direct Select, choose a directory, G-code, press OK. Now you press NC to USB load. To select the data in that directory, press Select All. Then press OK. Demo in is the program I want to import. Now press Start to import. That's how you import a program. To export a program using a USB, hit the left arrow twice, Data I/O, USB drive select, JSON shop, OK. USB direct select. Now we'll try transfer. OK. Now hit the NC to USB save button. Hit program file to select the file you want to export. The file we want to export is demo out. Press OK. Press the red X to close the work select tab. Now hit start to start export. That's how you export a file onto USB. To call up a program, you must be in memory. Press memory, then press work number. That'll bring up your work number select tab. It's important to keep your program files clean by putting a work number and a program name. Now we'll select the program we just entered, demo in, OK, and that's how you call up a program. Make sure we have demo in by Machinist Evolution.
Please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.